Hi, I'd like to take a minute and just introduce you to the Blum spindle probes. We offer multiple configurations of our spindle probe, from our standard digital technology with our TC60, standard digital technology with our TC52, and then also a modular probe utilizing digital functionality, digital signal, but this is more application specific. For hard to reach features, we can come up with custom solutions to make sure that you have little to no interference to measure your workpiece. What Blum prides itself on is the longevity, the robustness of that probe. We have core principal differences between the construction of our probes and that of any of our competition. So we understand that probing in a machine tool needs to be fast, and we give you every opportunity to probe at the fastest rate on the market. So our standard probing rate for our TC60, our larger body probe, is 3,000 millimeters per minute. We generate our measuring results with one trigger, one touch of the part. So 3,000 millimeters a minute, one touch, and move on to your next point. This greatly reduces your probing routine cycle time. Our smaller body probe, still fast on the market at 2,000 millimeters a minute, still a single touch. What allows us to probe at such a fast probing speed is we have a non-mechanical trigger. So the benefits of this is no wear over time. The same principal function of our laser, where a pin breaks a light beam or a tool breaks a light beam, is in our probe. So we do not have a mechanical trigger. It is all optoelectric trigger mechanism. What that means is a pin breaks a light barrier, activates the skip signal of the machine tool to record position. So we have no wear over time, and we give you the ability to probe at the fastest feed rate on the market. The probes can come in multiple stylus configurations, from maybe down to 18 millimeters up to 150 millimeters in length. Any longer than that, and we highly recommend that you move to our modular style, where we can offer you a carbon fiber extension to get that reach that you need. Our probes are retrofittable into any machine, any control manufacturer. We are not tied to anything specific. It is fully retrofittable solution, and I believe that this is our best kept secret that Blum has to offer, and the advantages that our customers receive from it, I believe are very good.